Hello guys, this is Elliptic. Uh, in this video I want to talk about EOS and what I'm thinking about EOS movement. It's kind of my first video on trading view as well, so I'm hoping that maybe I can do it, I don't know, kind of a weekly thing or maybe 2 times a week. So just feel free to let me know about what you think about these videos and how useful it is for your trading strategy. Uh, the thing with EOS that is kind of interesting for me is how much it uh, could go down at the it's a daily chart on Binance, so it's kind of uh, what you see is like the whole life cycle of how EOS uh, started from the very basic of, I don't know how much it was, below $1 when it started. And so uh, what we see here is that uh, it suffered a lot, but it didn't make a new low compared to the previous low. That's always something good. If you're not making new lows, you're good. So when you're having, the market's always is going down and up, or up and down. It's not a one-way cycle, but the thing is that you should always understand when one cycle finishes and the other begins, which we call it as trend reversal, right? So if you see on a 50 moving average on a daily chart, the trend is solid downtrend. But after here, we are not making any new lows, and it first treats the 50 moving average as resistance, but is finally breaking out of the 50 moving averages. And with this red candle, as you see, which I'm hoping that it finishes by today, we are probably gonna touch 50 moving average as support. So it's gonna be something like this, and it's my previous drawing, this. So after it touches this point, it's gonna go as far as the next Fibonacci level, which we have over here. So it's like the basic level of retracement, which is 23.6% of Fibonacci. But considering that this area is quite strong on the chart, I'm suggesting that it can go as high as 13,800 Satoshi, which is around 30% of retracement. And I'm telling you, it's not. It doesn't mean any bull trend. It's just normal market cycle. So if you are considering this as a trend reversal, which in my professional opinion I say it is, it's a very good time to enter EOS for a trade of the midterm trade. Like maybe it takes a couple of weeks for you to be able to exit, but it's going to be a really profitable trade. We can have some more confirmations on the hourly chart. As you can see, starting from this point upward, we keep making new highs and uh, lower lows, higher highs and lower lows, higher high and lower lows. For this one, I'm not sure it's gonna continue because it's a short-term period in the market. It might have a temporary uh, mm, break, like a trend reversal at this moment, to touch on this level, because it's a very strong level around this area. So we probably gonna have some contact in this 8,000 Satoshi uh, area, and after that I'm very confident that it's gonna take off. So I hope we get into this trade in a good way, but make sure that you enter with solid uh, stop losses so you know your risks. If I want to enter this trade, I will be totally odd if it's gonna have a break below 7,500, because probably around this area I will be out of this trade, because if it's gonna make any new lows, it surely is not gonna go wherever we think it's gonna go. So just be safe out there, and I hope you like the video. Let me know what you think about it. Until next time.